Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and navigating to Developer Options now, not later. If Developer Options is hidden, tap build number 7 times in About Phone to reveal it. Once visible, locate USB Debugging and prepare to switch it off. This closes the ADB access point that apps or computers use. You do this to reduce attack surface and prevent unattended access. Make sure your device is unlocked so prompts will display, and keep a note of any active ADB connections before changing the toggle. Once you switch off USB debugging, immediately select Revoke USB debugging authorizations to clear stored computer RSA keys. This forces future connections to reauthorize. You should also unplug any USB cable and exit ADB, file transfer, or debug sessions on your computer so no lingering channel remains. If developer options are no longer needed, disable the entire developer options menu to hide the setting again. Doing all three ensures both current connections and remembered trust relationships are After revoking and unplugging, reboot your device and return to developer options to confirm USB debugging stays off. On your computer, run ADB devices. Nothing should be listed. If a device still appears, clear Settings app cache or, on the computer, delete the local ADB key files, for example /, Android/adki and retry. If you cannot access settings at all, boot into Recovery or consult Secure Boot options. As a last resort, a factory reset will ensure debugging is disabled, but backup first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.